Good morning, students. Let's revise the lesson once again. All living things that we see around us can be categorized into two categories: living things and non-living things. Some of the living or non-living things are found in nature. They are not made by man. They are called natural things. For example, air, water, soil, snow, clouds, rocks, and sand are non-living natural things. Things like car, train, building, soap, and glasses are man-made. They are non-living things. They are not found in nature, so they are called man-made non-living. Water, car, train, building. These are man-made things. Plants, animal, human being, and microbes are living things. Let's come to the characteristics of living and non-living things. There are some characteristics of living and non-living things we will see one by one. Living things are alive, they grow, breathe, move, react, and reproduce. But non-living things cannot grow, breathe, move, react, and reproduce. They are not alive. Let's see one by one. The first characteristic is living things grow. All living things grow. See in this picture, a calf grows into a cow, a chick grows into a hen, a human baby grows into an adult, and a mango seedling grows into a big mango tree. But non-living things do not grow. Like a pen never grows into a bigger pen, a bottle does not grow into a bigger bottle. Now the second characteristic is living things need food. All living things need food to grow. Plants also make their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. All animals also need food. We also eat food to get energy to do our works. Non-living things do not eat food. See in this picture, non-living things do not eat food. A dog eating food, a lion eating flesh, a bird eating insects, a family at the dining table, see how they are eating. Now the next characteristics is living things move. Most of the living things move. They can move on their own. Like a bird fly in the air with the help of wings. Human beings walk or run for doing their work. Fishes swim in water. Elephants walk in search of food. But plants do not move from one place to another. They move their leaves or petal. For example, a sunflower tilts towards the sun. The roots of a plant moves towards the soil. Now the next characteristics is living things feel. All living things can feel. When your teachers praise you, you feel good. A cat moves when it sees fish or milk. A dog barks at the stranger. Plants can also feel changes around them. Leaves of mimosa plants feel a touch. When you touch the leaves of the mimosa plant, it becomes closed. But non-living things cannot feel. Now the next one, living things breathe. All living things breathe. Fishes have gills to breathe. Insects breathe through air holes on their body. Humans breathe through their nose. Plants exchange air through tiny holes on their leaves. These tiny holes are called stomata. But non-living things do not breathe. Then the next one, living things reproduce. A plant bears fruits. The seed inside a fruit grows into a baby plant. A bird lays eggs. Baby plants hatch out of eggs. A cow gives birth to a calf. A woman gives birth to a baby. See in this picture, a seed growing to a baby plant. A hen gives birth to a chick. A cow gives birth to a calf. A woman gives birth to a baby. But non-living things cannot reproduce. Now see here are some differences given between living and non-living things. The first one is living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things need food. Non-living things do not need food. Living things feel. Non-living things do not feel. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things move. non-living things do not move. Living things reproduce, non-living things do not reproduce. Now from this lesson we comes to know that all living things can be divided into living and non-living things. All living things can grow, breathe, feel, move and reproduce. Plants can prepare their own food. Human being like human beings human beings like oxygen through lungs, fish through gills, and plants take oxygen and carbon dioxide through stomata. All living things need oxygen to survive. This is all about the lesson 1. Here, children, here we are completing once again our lesson 1. So hope you all understand. Thank you.